Just 7 minutes ago ay binahagi nga po ng Lollapalooza sa kanilang Facebook ang nasabing performance ng SB19 na ang bagong album nito na Lawless. Sa kanilang caption, sinabi nilang SB19 takes Lala at ang video ay mula kay Harry Barrows. Sa comment section, umabot na nga po ito ng halos nasa 1,000. Wala pa pong ilang minuto or wala pa pong isang oras ang nasabing post at ito po ay may 8.8 thousand reaction at 1.5 thousand shares. Siyempre, OMG the high notes of Stel. Lawless to, asa na ba yung topless ni Stel Ahero? Lawless released on the same day where they performed it here. Solid SB19. Oh, angas, let's go Pinas. They are not kings for nothing. Now the world witness how monsters they are during live performance. Spitting talents and activating Filipino throat chakra. The aura is farming. Lawless to topless dam, it's flawless. That's SB19. Congratulations, mahal naming 5 Pinoy Pride. Say naman ang isa, Stel, you have witnessed the Filipino throat chakra and the powerful live and stable monster on stage, our very own SB19. The beat though, Lawless is just no less a banger. They really are the kings of P-pop, versatile performers, fearless risk-takers, genre-bending music producers, incredible singers, genius songwriters, amazing rappers, and collab magnets. True artists, Philippine music, arts, and culture is well presented by SB19. Grabe pong kaproud ang mga Pinoy sa SB19 dahil sa kanilang performance sa Lollapalooza. Even Lollapalooza ay hindi nga po napigilan ni ito ay bahagi sa kanilang social media sa Facebook. At hindi maikakaila ang lakas ng fandom ng SB19 ng 18 dahil sa post na ito ng Lollapalooza, tanging SB19 lang po ang may 1,000 likes, 1,000 comments, and 1,000 shares. At hindi lang yan, 3 hours ago ay nag-post din ng Lollapalooza kung saan kasama ng SB19 ang Chicago Bulls mascot. Ito po ay nagkaroon na ng 31.2 thousand na reactions, 2.5 thousand na comments, and 7.000 na shares. Sabi nga po natin, lahat po ng post nila sa SB19, iyon lang po ang tanging nagkakaroon ng malaking reactions. For those asking bakit ang konti ng tao, I don't think that's the point. Crowd size isn't the achievement. Representing the Philippines on a global stage is every international stage matters. No matter how big or small, let's normalize celebrating Filipino artists instead of tearing them down. Actually, marami po siya kasi open at kalat-kalat. Hindi kasi enclosed yung area, walang masisilungan and both side of screens may mga nanonood din kaya di masyadong halata na madaming tao. Ayun nga sadyang may haters lang talaga. Anyway, hindi po maikakaila na ang SB19 po ngayon ay ipinakita ang lakas ng kanilang charisma. Even the Lollapalooza cannot resist it. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Show